Hi, I'm Tom McLeod, co-founder of McLeod Governance. This is what I would be thinking about this week. If there was one question that we at McLeod Governance continually receive from our readers and viewers, it is, what makes a? What does that mean? Well, what makes a good Chief Audit Executive, for instance? What we're going to look at over the next 5 weeks is exactly that theme. What makes a? What makes a good Chief Audit Executive, Risk Advisor, Fraud Advisor, Corporate Governance Advisor, and Service Provider? So today, let's start with what makes a good Chief Audit Executive. For me, there are 3 things that need to be kept in mind. One is that you are a trusted counsellor, and I am often reminded of the role that an interpreter plays to a head of state. You are not the person who is in the centre of the discussion, but you are the advisor to it. And sometimes your most successful advising is that which is done discreetly. The second thing that makes a good Chief Audit Executive is having the ability to liaise properly with management. A good audit executive isn't just one who understands the technical rules, but also understands the commercial realities of the issues that the business is trying to face. Thirdly, a good Chief Audit Executive is someone who leads their team well. My ultimate test there is that I will fly anywhere in the world to confront someone who seeks to intimidate my audit team. Leading as a Chief Audit Executive is never easy, but it is a critical element of what makes a good Chief Audit Executive.